Come on, ladies and gentlemen and children, put your hands together. It's a great day. It's a privilege that we have such wonderful people amidst us for today's program. Thank you, children. Light symbolizes knowledge, while darkness represents and the illumination of an all knowledge. I request our Swamiji to light the lamp and enlighten us. I also request, after Swamiji's blessings, the chief guest to light the lamp, to represent bright future of our students. I also request all the guests and dignitaries to join hands to light the lamp. Knowledge is a lasting inner wealth by which all other achievements can be accomplished. Hence, we light the lamp in reverence to knowledge as the greatest of all forms of wealth. Thank you, Swamiji. Let us all join and be a part of this prayer.
Chandana Chachitodara Prinam Sakam Indira Chanchala Panganirajitam Mandarodhari Vrittodbhuja Bhoginam Prinayamo Vasudevam Devata Mandala Khanda Mandalam Prinayamo Vasudevam Akshayam Karma Yasmin Pare Swarpitam Prakshayam Yanti Dukkhani Yannamataha Aksharo Yojaraha Sarvadaivamritaha Kukshitam Yasya Vishwam Sada Jadikam Prinayamo Vasudevam Devata Mandala Khanda Mandanam Prinayamo Vasudevam Nandi Tirtoru Sannamino Nandinaha Sandadana Sadananda Deve Matim Mandaha Saruna Pangadattonatim Vandita Shesha Devadi Vrindam Sada Prinayamo Vasudevam Devata Mandala Khanda Mandanam Prinayamo Vasudevam Vasudevam Vasudevam